Hey there everybody, Thomas Wood with valuecharts.com, and today we're going to talk about a setup we had in the Nasdaq in the futures trading room this morning and how that worked out if you had been trading it there with us starting at 8 a.m. Eastern time. So what we were looking at here was the Nasdaq on a 500 tick chart. We were looking at all our longer time frames, so our 240s, our 120s, our 30s, 60s, and dailies, and we said, okay, Nasdaq looks like it should be heading lower, so we had a bearish bias. So we had a bias saying Nasdaq should go down. That means we want to only take the short setups in the Nasdaq on the 500 tick chart with the momentum trender, and you can see just how well that worked out. This would have been your short entry right up here this morning at about 8:30 a.m. when we turned red on momentum trender from neutral blue to red bearish, and then you would have stayed in that all the way down until you just turned green here a little while ago at about 12:30 at 38.50. So you're in it from about 3,900 down to 38.50, about 50 points. You had very little risk because your stop is at the high. Worked out really well. You're risking 4 points to make 50. Not a bad reward risk ratio if you ask me. So make sure you keep an eye out for this. Make sure you understand what your directional bias is in the markets before you start trading them, so you can get an idea and understanding of where you want to be trading, what direction you should be taking the signals. That's all I have for today. I hope it helps. Look forward to seeing you in the trading room in the future. You can sign up by going to valuecharts.com. And until next time, happy trading.